Affiliate marketing has never been this easy. My introverted affiliate marketers, listen up. What if I told you you could automate Instagram Reels, faceless Instagram Reels every single day? I'm doing this right now, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it, how I'm automating my Instagram channel and some of my other social media channels so I don't have to do any marketing at all. I just focus on selling the affiliate products and creating the system. This is all about creating a business you can work on instead of in. We're in 2024 at the time of this recording, heading into 2025, and we are in the AI age officially, 110%. So why are we all still doing manual work? Affiliate marketing needs to evolve. I believe that I found the way to evolve it by combining it with AI. And in this video, again, I'm going to show you how I automate my Instagram channel and get traffic every single day. Faceless, completely automated, not this type here and type there. Once it's done once, it will happen every single day. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, I hope you guys can see this. This is the main website that we use to automate my business as well as all of our clients. If you're interested in talking about getting into automated affiliate, book a call down below. But this is what an automation looks like, okay? This is make.com. Sorry, let me move this out of the way. This is make.com, and this is where we connect all of our tools. So if I zoom in here a little bit, you guys can follow along. I have a tool here which is called the increment function, which means, in a scientific techie babble way, it means that this automation will fire off every single day without me having to touch it. As you can look at, I don't know if I'm in the way here. Let me remove myself in case I am. If you can look at the bottom left down here, this is the on button. You can see I have it on, and it's very tiny. I don't know if you can zoom in there, but it says 11:35 a.m. So every single morning at 11:35 a.m., this automation fires off. So what happens? The tool fires off once a day at 11:35 a.m. Then I tell Canva, hey Canva, right? Everybody knows Canva, the place where you can make graphics and designs and whatnot. Canva, I need a reel to post on Instagram today for my business, right? Canva will then create that reel and then shoot it over to Airtable, which is basically a spreadsheet software. Okay, so now we're at Airtable. Airtable will then organize it and post it directly to our Instagram. Okay, Instagram for business there. And that's it. Literally, this is 100% hands off. And this is just one of the very, very many ways that we automate your business in automated affiliate. If you go over to my Instagram now, I'll show you the actual posts. And I'll show you that my Instagram is growing. These are very simple posts. You can see it's a reel. Sorry, not this one. Sorry, that's the wrong one. This is a reel. The goal here, and the way that I kind of cheated the system a little bit, is that these reels are about 5 seconds long. Instagram, just like any other platform, is all about watch time, right? Keeping people on the platform. So imagine that all of these little quotes that I put out every single day, people have to stop and read them for 5 seconds. Well, then the video's over, right? Let me get myself back on the screen here. The video's over, right, after 5 seconds. So that means to the algorithm, to the Instagram gods, that means that your content is very engaging. And therefore, you'll get more and more views over time by continuing that trend. You can see I'm starting to get some traffic here. If we look at my dashboard, I have some ads running, simple ads coming to my Instagram. I don't know where on the dashboard you can see like your view archive. That's not it. I thought there was a place you could see on the dashboard your stats and whatnot, but I guess not. And you can see my Instagram is growing, but more importantly, people are messaging me about my business, about my affiliate offers. Made a few $1,000s just this week with this strategy. And I'm telling you guys, this is the day and age where you want to automate your business. The biggest problems with affiliate marketing and most people doing affiliate marketing is we still have about 50%, a little over 50% of people doing affiliate marketing are still making under 10K per month, okay? And that is a big, big problem. And it's a problem that we can solve. Let me get back on camera here. It's a problem here that we can solve. I know what the problems are because I work with people all day, every day. You're super, super busy. You don't have enough time to put effort into the content creation, and anyone who's ever done well with affiliate marketing will tell you content is king. If you can't put time and effort towards your content, mind you, you have to get good at making content. That's a journey in and of itself. So if you don't have time to get good at making content and then be present and be able to make the content, it doesn't matter what kind of content you make, it will always equal a bunch of clicks, a bunch of eyeballs, and no actual sales. You need to have both. So this is an automated content machine with the right kind of content being thrown out there to attract your customers, point them to your affiliate link, and grow and scale an affiliate marketing business up to 10K. It's not that hard, guys. You have to get more eyeballs on your offer. That's all affiliate marketing is. So use this strategy. If you know how to use make.com, automate your Instagram, focus more on driving those leads, driving those eyeballs, and getting the sales. That's it. And then you use $5 leads. We get into that in another video, but I'm going to show you how to get leads for $5. Those simple ads that I was running, I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. If you want to know more, again, book a call down below. I'll show you a demo of how all of this works, how the automated affiliate system works. There's a video on it, and then you can book a call with me. We can talk about working together if you want to automate your business, and I can help you get started towards making 10K per month. But I'm the infamous Joel. Subscribe to the channel because I have a ton more here, and I'm out.